Now, the image that you just saw is actually very detailed. When I told it to make a A4 size mobile parts information in portrait, make a 3D image for iPhone 16 Pro dismantled fully. Mark all parts and number with graphics, and also I've given it a color scheme which says background theme white and silver, professional and clean font. Now, if you see the image, it's really good. You can see all the parts dismantled fully, and even the markings on the graphic parts on the side which says part reference is really good. But there's a catch. Now, if you can see in the image, the marking is off. You can see in this area 26, 23. I guess all these parts are marked with exact same number. Or I guess the issue with text ending here is clearly seen. Even in the top part, if you can see, it's given me 2 times 16. This 5 is off, and even like all the numberings are off in some of the other way. Now, if you compare it with Nano Banana 2, text ending is really better in Images 2.2, but there is some issue as well. That's why in the previous video I said that we cannot say that it's a Nano Banana 2 killer, because there are issue in this image. And when Nano Banana 2 Pro will release, maybe this won't be a killer anymore. So there's another example I can give you where there's issue with the text rendering. It has given me a quite good image, but there is text rendering. Even the 3D image that I've told to make is really off. Now in this one I have told is that make a landscape A4 3D map of India, space view of India in 3D, showing all the border lines, all the state name in 3D, add famous monuments in the state, if any, in 3D, example Taj Mahal, India, etc. Show India's border with neighboring country while showing the area of border. And if you see the 3D map it has created is really good. Or even the name of all the states are very clear. The places where it's all mountain, it's actually good. Desert is actually good. It has shown India Gate in Haryana. So I don't know why it did something like this. And in the Delhi, it's shown some other monument, and I can't understand what is actually written there. In this one, you can see the text rendering is really good. Even if you can see from the bigger perspective, the map looks really good. When you zoom in, you can see there's issue with the monuments it has given. So yeah, there's issue with rendering inside Images 2.0 as well. That's why I said it is actually not a Images Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 killer, because if we go to Nano Banana Pro, it would have given me really better results, if I say so. So in the next video, I'm going to be trying Nano Banana Pro and Images 2.0 all together with a comparison. So with the same prompt, so then we can see if Nano Banana 2 stands out or if Images 2 is still at its place when it comes to image rendering. So do follow and like the page. We'll be meeting in the next video. Bye.